Exploring multi-material print, a leap into the future of 3D printing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's gaining a lot of attention in the world of technology and design: multi-material print. This concept might sound complex, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. So, if you're curious about the advancements in 3D printing and how they're changing the way we create, you're in the right place. At its core, multi-material print refers to the process of creating objects using a 3D printer that can handle multiple materials at once. Unlike traditional 3D printing, which typically uses a single material for each print job, multi-material printing allows for the combination of different materials within a single object. This means you can have parts of an object with varying colors, textures, and physical properties, all produced in one printing session. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, multi-material printing opens up a world of possibilities for designers, engineers, and creators of all kinds. It enables the production of more complex and functional items, from customizable shoes with varying levels of flexibility and support, to advanced medical models that mimic human tissue for surgical practice. This technology is not just about aesthetics. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing and design. So, how does a printer manage to work with different materials in one go? The key lies in the printer's sophisticated hardware and software. Multi-material printers are equipped with multiple print heads or nozzles, each capable of extruding a different material. The software controlling the printer is designed to precisely switch between these materials at the right moments, layer by layer, to achieve the desired outcome. This process requires careful planning and design, but the results can be truly remarkable. Looking ahead, the potential for multi-material printing is virtually limitless. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see it used in more fields, including electronics, where it could lead to the creation of items with integrated circuits or sensors. The environmental impact of this technology is also a hot topic, with ongoing research into more sustainable materials and processes. The future of multi-material printing is not just about what we can create, but also how we can create it more responsibly. And that wraps up our exploration of multi-material print. We hope this video has illuminated the exciting possibilities that this technology brings to the table. Whether you're a designer, engineer, or just someone fascinated by the future of creation, multi-material printing is a topic worth watching. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology and design. See you in the next video.